You know, I could do this all day long. Look at this beautiful view. It's tropical. It's mysterious. I feel like I'm in an episode of The Brady Bunch in Hawaii. Like, this is so good. We're on Pine Island, which is brand new to me. It's right outside of Cape Coral. It's old Florida. It's yummy. It's Key West vibes. But I have to meet my newest winners, and I'm super excited about it. Chris and Kenny. So I'm dying to hear their stories. Like, what's going on here? Look at your fun hair.
Oh,
yes,
hello.
please. Oh my God, you're precious.
Nice to see you.
Oh, you're okay too. Nice to meet you, David. Nice to meet you guys. Do you guys need some caffeine?
Yes.
I do. Me too.
Absolutely.
After you. So this is beautiful. Are we from here?
No, we're from Western Mass.
Ooh, Massachusetts. So we're gamblers.
So we only buy them once a year for
Oh, so you
Christmas.
do gamble.
Once a year.
Tell me everything.
Okay, we kind of started this tradition where we buy lottery tickets only on Christmas Eve for each other.
Okay.
Next morning, we're sitting at the table, and
This is on Christmas Day.
this is Christmas morning.
Day, yeah.
I love
And
this.
so I'm scratching mine, and I'm like, ooh, I won $50. She looks at me and she goes, can you kind of just check this out?
I'm like, okay, well, I think I just won $4 million. And he looks at it, and he rips it out of my hands, and he wouldn't let me hold it anymore.
What do you think she's gonna do? Put it in the garbage disposal?
I know, right? And I'm going, he's going, I'm gonna retire. I'm like, but I won the money. So,
Yeah.
yes.
You know, from being a pauper to a prince in 10 seconds.
$4 million.
That was probably the best Christmas I've ever had.
What was life like before you won the $4 million?
He was working for Homeland Security, and I just retired from my previous job of 21 years and opened up my bakery, so.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is very exciting. Are you guys currently in Massachusetts?
Yes.
All right, so what are we doing down here?
Looking around, you know, it's...
Trying to find our retirement home
yeah.
for the future.
So fun.
Something not too big.
Right.
Definitely has to have a nice kitchen,
Of
obviously.
course.
3 bedrooms and at least 2 bathrooms, I would
So
say.
yeah, so a nice standard 3-2. Are we looking at the
It
water?
doesn't have to be on the water.
Not
it's
a
not a
deal
deal
breaker.
breaker.
How much money are we spending on this dream retirement home?
I think we were looking at, what, 400?
Like, is
Yeah.
the money fresh in your pocket?
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we gotta spend it while it's hot.
I'm sorry, but the gig is up, Pine Island. Now, everybody knows that property here is still super affordable this close to the water.
So I'm starting off quite a bit under budget. Royal Fern goes for $349,000. I have no notes. So we're in St. James City, which is at the southern point of Pine Island. Super cute, yeah?
Loving it.
Love the neighborhood.
I love that this
Neat.
house is on stilts because it gives you that little safety blanket.
Yes.
Double carport, which is very typical for the time this house was built. So Royal Fern has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, has 1,344 square feet, completely under budget at $349,000. You're welcome, let's go.
Oh.
I'm trying to save that money for you guys. We got a little front lanai. Cute, cute, cute. Come on in, my darling.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Wow, this is not what I
Yes.
expected. This
No.
is
No.
fantastic.
First impressions.
I love the brightness,
Yeah.
the colors, and it makes you feel like you're at home. You can
It's
relax.
very beachy.
Reminds me of like I don't know, relaxing. I love the surprise.
All right, this one's for you, Chris.
What do you think?
Nice. I love it.
Now, there's a lot of cabinet space here, a
Yes.
lot of counter space.
Yes.
Soft closing. Are they soft closing?
Looks that way.
There we go.
There you go. No slamming when I'm mad, huh?
Yeah, you can't even try to be mad.
No. Nope.
Wow, you got
Not
some
at all.
big drawers in here.
Oh, I
You know
love
what they say
the
about big
sink.
drawers.
Big utensils.
So right at the kitchen, we do have the laundry, which is brand new as well. Everything's new. So you can do laundry and cook.
I like that idea.
All for it.
Great renovated bathroom.
Oh, I love it. I like that there's no tub in here. He's not getting any younger, so he needs something he can just walk into.
Their teenagers are going to love having a bedroom each.
Now, where all the magic will happen. Not in this room.
No, definitely not.
Main bedroom.
Oh, this is nice.
Right?
I love it. It's
Good
perfect
size, isn't it?
size. Yep. Not too big, not too small.
We do have our one unrenovated space in the entire house, and that is the main bathroom. Why don't you guys check it out and see if you guys can manage.
It has potential. And a little paint, a little change the tiles, and something I can live with if we don't get to it right away either.
Exactly. And since you're not going to
Perfectly.
live here for a long time, you have plenty of time to do it. Why don't we head down and check out the downstairs living spaces?
Okay. Oh,
Isn't
nice.
this nice?
This is nice and roomy. We can put our kids down here,
Yep.
a little entertainment for them.
Yep.
I like it.
Yeah.
I do.
All right, for tomorrow. A little bit big every yard. I mean, it's a really small lot. You know, most of it's front yard.
It is.
So maybe we'll get a little bit more lot so you guys can have more outdoor parties. Shall we go and explore?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Today I'm showing them a house in Bokeelia, all the way to the north, and that's where the money is. Nutgrass Nursery. Neighborhood is nice, isn't it?
It is awesome.
Yeah, this is where we're seeing not the devastation from Hurricane Ian.
Yeah.
Nutgrass Nursery has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,200 square feet. As you can see, we're on a larger plot of land at a quarter of an acre, so we have a little bit more room to move. And the price is still fantastic at $359,000.
Wow.
Shall we get out of the sun and into the
Yes.
AC?
Let's do it.
All right, my darlings, come on in.
Oh, nice.
Hey.
I like that.
I know,
It's really
right?
cool.
I love a good set of spiral staircases. I'm like, where does that go? We'll look at that later, but let's take a
Okay.
seat. It goes downstairs. That's all I can say.
Hope so.
So what do you guys think?
I love it. It's nice and cozy.
It
You
is
can read a
cozy.
book here. The kids and I, we can all hang out.
Yeah. Would you guys keep the carpet or would you guys put wood floors in?
I'd probably put wood floors in.
Yeah, I agree. And we're coming still so far under, giving you a little room to do a little like cosmetic surgery. On the house,
On
not
the
you.
house. Oh, no.
Or you. You guys look perfect. Should we start with the bedrooms?
Yes,
Sure.
please.
Let's do that. We'll go to the kitchen last. So here is our first bedroom.
This is nice.
It's cute,
Yeah,
right?
probably about
Yeah,
the same
yeah.
size as the other
Yeah.
house.
Very Florida
Yeah.
looking.
I
It's
love
like a
it.
peppermint patty,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
I think color has a lot to do with how we feel.
Yeah.
I feel cooler in this room, even though it's not cooler anywhere else because of the paint color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
The other guest bedroom is super cool too, and a little bigger. So the kids can duke it out over who gets what. But they have to share a guest bathroom because Chris and Kenny are getting their own slice of paradise.
And a really nice size main bedroom.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Good size.
I was not
Yeah.
expecting a room this large.
Why don't you guys check out the bathroom? This one has been completely renovated.
That's nice.
Shower
like
only.
these.
Yeah. That's actually a really nice shower.
Yeah.
I like the double vanity in here.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I haven't seen the kitchen
Ooh,
yet.
you know that's the main thing.
A really nice size
Oh,
kitchen.
I like
Aha.
this. Love
Wow.
that tile.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Not as many cabinets as yesterday, but still really open, really good space
Yeah.
to hang out in. Tons
Yeah.
of windows, which we love.
I love that the natural light comes in here
Yeah.
too.
If you're doing any outside entertaining, just walk right out.
That's the difference between this house and Royal Fern is that here we
Right.
have a completely open deck with no screen, so you can take the grill out there. Downstairs is definitely different than Royal Fern. I'm curious to see what you guys would do with it.
Oh, excellent.
Now, it is not included in the square footage. All right. Beautifully finished downstairs, so we have
Oh.
laundry down here.
Nice.
But here's kind of the main event.
Oh, nice.
It's a
Well,
great space, right?
It is.
yeah.
It would be a great area for the kids to hang out in. We can have
I-
a nice pool table or something down here.
I think this should be like the main TV watching area.
I could also make it into a she shed-ish place. You
So
know?
we don't say she shed because you're way more fancy than that. We say lady lair.
Lady layer.
Why is that not catching on?
Maybe it will now.
Should we go outside again?
Yes.
Check out the rest of the yard up close
Yes.
and personal. I love it here.
There's a lot of potential here.
Yeah.
You know, like the pool right here. I could see that.
The room for a pool is always nice,
Okay.
right? What do you guys want to look at tomorrow?
I like this area, the Bokelia area. It's beautiful. I would love to be able to look at more houses around here.
Why
and
not?
yeah, I'm open to anything.
As you wish.
Yes.
So I wanted to continue this side of the island with Shoestring Court. Look at this property, you guys.
Oh, this is really nice.
Do you see the tiki hut over there?
Oh, that
Party Central.
is adorable.
Definitely like an entertainer's paradise.
Yep.
What I love about it is that we have a downstairs apartment and an upstairs apartment. That's why we have the 4 bedrooms, the 2 bathrooms, and the 726 square feet. Needs the most work, but we're coming in low on the price range at $379. Let's get into
Awesome.
it. We'll do the lower apartment, the kids, AKA mother-in-law suite, last.
Got it.
You ready for this?
Ready.
Come on in, my darlings.
Oh, this is nice.
It's cute, right?
Very
Totally
cute.
you. She loves these counters,
Nice.
stainless steel.
I know it's a smaller kitchen than we've
It is,
seen.
but it still has good counter space because I
Yeah.
like to spread out when I'm cooking, baking, and all that good stuff.
Large
so.
tiles.
Yeah.
The cabinets are in great shape. I would just give
Yeah.
them a coat of paint. I would do some sort of either vinyl or wood floors down on the floor just to kind of soften it up
Yep.
a little bit. This is where I'd spend a little bit of money. But we have
Yeah.
stainless steel everything, so it's not bad.
Yes.
Dining room here, which is great.
Yep.
You can turn this into anything. To me, it would be great to have a dining room outside versus in here. This could all be living space.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of the vaulted ceilings?
I love them.
Feels like a cabin.
I like the contrast.
I love these wood ceilings. I'm doing this through my entire house, just in a lighter wood. If you wanted to lighten this up to make it a little more airy, you could paint it. But honestly, that's why I love this property so much, because you're gonna be outside most of the time.
It's amazing.
It's good, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it.
Shall we look at the bedrooms and bathroom?
Yes.
Excellent.
All right. This would be the main bathroom for you guys.
Main bathroom.
Yeah, same thing. Nice
This is
stone
nice.
counters.
Yeah.
I like this cabinet here. It's really pretty with the countertops.
It's big. And remember, no one else needs to be up here. This whole floor is yours.
Right.
Here is what I would use as the main bedroom. Nice and open, tons of natural light.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I love this slider.
Yeah.
Put some chairs out there. Yep.
So this is where we can kind of see where the work needs to happen. The closets are kind of like, but I would turn this one into your full-on closet. You need one, right?
Yes.
Yes, you do.
Oh, I can see that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice little like sitting area here
Yeah.
and just closets everywhere. And they can go out there and have a little
Yep.
cup of tea.
Oh yeah.
We love that. Shall we go downstairs?
All right.
Let's go see where the kids are gonna reside?
Yes.
Because they are not allowed up here.
Nope.
The entire first floor is giving quaint cabin vibes.
This is nice.
Isn't this cute
quaint,
for
yeah.
kids?
It is.
Perfect for 2 teenagers to enjoy their own space. Sure, it could use a few updates, but nothing is urgent. And this could be Kenny's kitchen, a super convenient prep space for barbecues and outdoor grilling.
All right, I know you guys were eyeing that tiki hut. Shall we
Oh,
get
yeah.
into it? Let's get outside. Look at this beautiful vegetation.
Oh, this.
What just blew in my hair? I was like, oh, what's hanging there? No, that was a full-on bat. That's disgusting.
You know those day bats? You know?
Those day bats, I know. We have a
Watch
girl
your head.
here. It's amazing, like, just being in the shade here, it's cooled down like
Oh,
5
yes.
degrees, right?
Oh
Yeah.
yes.
This is like very islandish. Yeah.
Like, if you want to feel like you're on vacation, this is the house, for sure.
Yeah, that is
is
enticing.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You guys like the properties?
I do.
I do. This has been a big decision process for us, and you've been so helpful.
Well, thanks. It's my pleasure, and I love that you literally match our surroundings right now. Both
I
of
know.
you. You're so cute. Let's get out of here. I'm
Awesome.
sweating. Oh my God. You guys been here before?
Nope, not to here.
What's right by all the houses? So nice.
Yeah.
Here we go. After
Thank you.
my
Thank you, sir.
darlings, ladies.
Thank you.
Put your buns down. Let's spend your money. Kind of a big deal, right?
It is.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
You live here.
Did you guys like all the properties?
We did.
Good. We started this search off in St. James area, Royal Fern. The only house that's been almost completely renovated.
Kitchen.
Oh, yeah.
The kitchen was everything.
Kitchen.
I love the tile in there. I love the room it had in there. The whole area was open up so you can see
nice.
everything that's going on. And it was just bright and cheery walking in.
Our lowest on the price range, and it was the closest to Cape Coral as well.
Yes.
You're like, let's just see something with a little wiggle room. So I took you over to Nutgrass Nursery.
Loved how it was cozy. They had a special place downstairs for, I could put my kids or I could make it my own little area.
I particularly like the backyard.
Because it was room for a pool.
Potential for a pool.
You guys didn't
Yes.
mention a pool at all in the beginning.
The option is nice.
The option is nice.
Yeah.
So I wanted to show you a property that had even more space, a shoestring court.
I like that they had 2 separate floors so that my kids can be downstairs. They
So
had
nice.
2 kitchens so you can separate things. And I love the ceilings that were in there. They were amazing.
Those ceilings were super cool.
Yeah, I
and it
really
had
like
the
it.
most usable outdoor space. Plenty of room for a pool. I mean,
Pool.
that would
Right.
like...
And a volleyball court.
I love this.
Yep.
So 3 very distinct areas, 2 in Bokeelia, 1 more on the northern side, and then 1 in St. James City. It's really all about location. What location do you find yourself in?
We're more attracted to the St. James City.
Are we doing Royal Fern?
Yeah.
That kitchen had all of it, didn't it?
It did.
I love
Yeah.
that kitchen.
Yeah.
That was
is-
all she could talk about.
Well, it's just like kitchens and bathrooms sell houses. And that was the best kitchen, hands down, of all 3 properties. So,
Oh, yes.
a great second home for you guys.
Thank you for making this possible for
My
us.
pleasure.
Yeah.
I get 10% commission on all the work I do.
Pay them in.
We'll get you later.
Cheers to you guys. This has
Cheers.
been amazing. You're fabulous.
We ended up choosing Royal Fern, and we couldn't be happier.
It's quiet. We could take our golf cart around. We don't have to worry about anything, and it's just nice and quiet.
That's what we need. We need some more of those royal palms and a banana tree. I want a banana tree.
Hi, guys. What do you think? Oh. Neighbors here are amazing. I absolutely adore them. We spend a lot of time with them. They're easy to hang out with.
They've taken us in as like their own family. We feel so welcome. You know, we couldn't have asked, we couldn't even pick better neighbors. Hey, Dave, thank you so much for taking time to come down and help us pick out a place to live. We really appreciate it. We enjoyed your company.
Thank you, Dave. It was such a wonderful experience meeting you.